Hello, today we will discuss the antenna mounting height on rooftop. And you can see there are many types of antenna mounted on the rooftop. Some of them just at the edge of the roof, and some of them in the middle. So all these different mounting location will require different antenna height, because the antenna basically you need to clear at least the first Fresnel zone. So this one here is a simplified formula to calculate the first Fresnel zone radius, and then the HP is the height of the obstacle. So you can see the HC antenna height on rooftop is related to the first Fresnel zone radius, to the height of the obstacle, and then relate to the distance to the obstacle's edge also. Based on all this, then if the antenna down to a little bit, a few degrees for example, then you need to consider all this together, and then just do some of the maths. So I prepared a small tool here and have some of the calculation examples here. And if any of you like it, you can drop me an email and we can discuss. I can send it to you. But so far, actually, I prepared a few of the tools. The Excel tool, for example, for antenna isolation. But so far, nobody asked me for it. Don't feel shy. Just ask. And then, so you see, there's some of the okay, this one, for example, if the frequency start from 450 megahertz, so of course you can calculate the wavelength here, the distance, all this, the down tilt angle, I put 10 degree here. So you can see the height is different. So the lower the frequency, the higher the height required. It's understandable because the wavelength is longer for lower frequency. So here, all the way to 2.45 gigahertz. Then in the next slide, I will show you another frequencies. In case you don't like to ask me for the tool, you can come to this video and then you just read the value from here. But if your bandwidth change, your down tilt angle change, and then your obstacle height change, then this one is not valid anymore. So you still need the tool. But anyway, you can prepare your own tool. It's quite simple. And then next one is for the frequency is higher, from 3.55 gigahertz all the way to 5.65 gigahertz. And I prepared one all the way on up to 10 gigahertz. Here is up to 7.95 gigahertz, and the next one up to 10.05 gigahertz. So this is a short one. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Drop me an email if you like to have the small tool, and then you modify for different bandwidth, different down tilt angle, and then different of other parameters. Thank you.